everybody! Magandang araw po sa ating lahat kabayan. Ayan, naghahanap ka ba ng bath towel which is a very affordable price, 12.99 dirham only. So as you can see guys, the size is 70 by 140. It's very perfect size. And to those who have very sensitive skin and allergy, don't worry because our towel is made of 100% cotton. So it's because our bath towels are made of cotton and it's an organic. There is no chemical, so it's very safe to use. So if you are interested, you can visit to our place. So we are located at Al Garhoud Business Center, G90. And we are near in Jijico Metro Station, exit number 2. So have a good day to everyone. Bye! At my